Crude oil last week struggled to break beyond $80 levels, and we have seen it getting a good push. And that is why I have mentioned last week itself that 80.2, $80.5 zone is something you should watch out for. It has precisely reversed from the same zone and closed the week on a bearish note towards 77.5 levels. Now, what can we expect in the coming week? Can we expect, because see, it has formed a good base, it is also showing increasing bullishness. Can we expect oil to reverse and deliver a breakout candle from here? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategy. Watch till the end. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to watch the twice a day updates and targets for crude oil, which I share first with the Asia and Europe session and next with the US session before the major news events. So do subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment. It is always a great motivation. And if you have not joined the channel memberships here on YouTube, support the channel by joining the memberships, and you can also be part of the free Telegram channel where you get the live market update. Let's start first to look into the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts, what oil is doing, the rise, and this is forming a nice flag here. Where are the lows? I have shared earlier as well. Only and only if oil is seen trading below 76, we can say it is turning bearish. As long as 76, and in fact, let me say 76 and 75, as long as 76 and 75 zone is respected, you should not be treating oil as bearish, at least for the coming week. Remember and mark these words. Now, if you notice on the 4-hour charts, it's been trading bullish here, and just look at this. Since then, it is just delivering higher lows here. So this is definitely in an expanding triangle. Moving averages have started to converge. It has not yet crossed over. Lower highs, lower lows are seen. Thus, for the coming week, specifically watch out at 77.3 and 77 zone. In my daily review, I have mentioned why 77.3, 77.5 is a good support zone. Precise crude oil has respected the levels here. Now for the coming week, you should watch out for 77, 76.8 zone. If and only if this zone is taken, then you can say that price is trying to drop further, and then I will be looking forward to possibly towards 76 levels as the next stronger support here. Still, I will not say that it has turned bearish. Yes, this could try to retrace further, but not reverse. If you look at a stochastic, this has come to oversold levels. The MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness, while RSI has dropped as well. Coming to daily, look at daily charts here. Highs, lows, highs, higher lows. Also, you can see this, it is staying in this bullish channel, and that is why also I say, yes, oil is still not to be treated bearish. First, it needs to break below 76 and 75 zone. Then we can say it is turning bearish, and then it can try to hit the lows here. Where are the lows here now? $73 levels. So this is something you should watch out for. What is happening right now? After the rise, it is forming a nice flag here. Now, this flag means any breakout above $80 levels in the coming week is a sign of reversal. Any breakout beyond $80 is a sign of reversal in the crude oil prices. So mark the $80 levels, 80, 80.5. If any point of time it breaks beyond this, you are looking forward to 82.4 as the first target and 84.5 as the next target. Moving averages crossing over here certainly is a sign of bullishness. But see, my worry point is what has happened on the last trading session. See, couple of bearish candles, retracement and another bearish candle. It is closed below the 20 period moving average. This is something which is suggestive that possibly next few candles can be of slight bearish nature before it bounces back. A stochastic almost staying flat. MACD, look at MACD. See, though oil has still room for it to rise, but it is starting to retrace here, and it is right now trading with slight divergence and bearishness. This appears that it can try to deliver a couple or more red candles from here. So till midweek for crude oil in the coming week, you should be cautious. It can trade with little bearish. Now coming to weekly. Now let me show you something on the weekly chart. See the drop here, the retracement, the drop here to the almost same levels, and it has started to retrace. Now this retracement can be a stronger one as well. I have been sharing this since long. I have been mentioning this since long. In last couple of months, since oil was $67 to 70, I had mentioned that it is possibly the bottom which we were looking forward to, and a reversal from the current levels can be seen. Yes, it is trying to reverse. But if you look at the movement since last few weeks, it is a clear-cut sandwich movement where you can find couple of green, one red, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. So it is just staying with this sandwich movement. Now, if you look at the last few candles, you will find the bottom levels and the support levels intact at around 76, 75 zone, which is going to play a critical role in deciding the future of oil. Any drop below 75, we can see oil hitting $73 levels, chances for which also appears to be less. Now also look at the moving averages. Right now these are still on the sell side, crossing one over other. We have to wait for them to cross over and confirm the bullish reversal. Now also one must look at the preceding candle here. Again, zone of consolidation. Any breakout beyond 80 and 80.5, just stay bullish. If you look at the movement as well, couple of green, then one red, then one bigger green, then one smaller or bigger red, and then this a stronger breakout may appear here, showing or taking the prices higher on the upside towards 81.5, 82.5. Stochastic though has hit a high and looking downwards, but look at MACD. I've been sharing this since long. See MACD here, it has hit a lows, triple bottom, then the rise, then the retracement, and a crossover here is now willing to take it further highs. Thus, it is still having the bullishness intact. RSI is rising as well. Coming to monthly. Now, look at the monthly charts. Higher lows are seen since last 3 candles and higher highs, though the preceding candle did not deliver, but the current candle has definitely delivered higher highs. Only worry point is now prices are again trading below the median of the Bollinger Bands and the 20 period moving average. But if you look at the preceding 2 candles, you will find there is a bigger tail on the downside, which suggests an upward move can be expected. And also, if you track the monthly charts, the drop, the retracement, the drop, almost forming the double bottom, and potentially it is looking forward to higher prices. Just it needs to break beyond 1995, and then certainly the sky is the limit on the upside if the $70 levels are respected. But these are markets, these are always trying to give you the other picture here, a retracement and a break here below 70. A break here below 70 is going to be bring a stronger crash. But whether this is possible, let's have a look. See, first of all, the candles here bearishness, and now it is trying to reverse, so possibly the bullishness cannot be denied here. Look at the stochastic, this is also looking upwards, can bring the prices, can take the prices further up. Look at MACD. Now on the MACD, look at the pattern here, 2 waves are done and it is willing to crossover. Thus a crossover here means stronger bullish momentum is required. Also, this suggests that oil can reverse from the current levels. If not in the coming week, then possibly in the last 2 trading weeks for this month, oil might show a reversal. So this candle can lead to the path where it can show you the swings, achieving the low at 75 and the highs at around 79, closing at around 78, and then taking up the bullish pattern in the next or the last 2 weeks of this trading month. So this is something you should watch out for. RSI is also now comfortable. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy for the coming week. Before I give you the trading levels and strategy for the coming week, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join the 30th mentorship batch starting first week of April. You can register yourself now itself. Those who want to learn the key concepts, the tools which can help you trade profitably, identify profitable trades, that is the first important thing. Next is you can also get the trade setups which can definitely help you trade with ease and profits. So you can register for the mentorship batch, and those who are looking just for the signals channel, you can be part of the signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for details related to the service. And those who ask me to recommend a broker which is trustworthy, safe, secure, offers a SWAP free and with lowest spread account, you can join the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. And yes, this is a regulated broker with with presence across the globe here. Now, let's have a look at the levels to buy. Remember, 77.7, 77.8 was the resistance zone. Now this is going to, this was the support zone. Now this is going to be the resistance on the upside. Beyond this, you can buy in the coming week. We can look forward to 78.2, 78.6. Now 78.6 is the next milestone, and we have always maintained these levels as the good resistance or support levels. Now again, these levels in the coming week are going to play a major role. If it stays above 78.6, look forward to 79.6 levels in the coming week. And if oil stays above 79.6, you can say now the bulls will be taking over for 80.5. See, beyond 79.6, I do expect it to give a breakout. And then once it stays above 80.5, 81.4, 82.5 levels can be expected. Any move beyond 82.5, sky is the limit on the upside, where you can look forward to 83.8, 84.5 levels. Though I do not expect that 82.5 is going to be breached, but yes, these are markets. It can do it in a single day as well. So yes, as and how it breaks beyond this level 80.5, the bulls will take over completely. On the down, where to sell? Now remember, 77.2 is the only level you can sell. Still, I will say this complete zone between 77.2 and 76.8 is going to be the first support zone. Below this, we can look forward to 76.1 as the next target and 75.5 as the third target. Well, see, I am not sharing, but yes, there are very strong support. 75.8 is another level. Below this is where 75. Now, as long as oil respects 75, chances for reversal will be very high in the coming week. Only below this, the bearishness will increase. Then you can look forward to 74, 73, and a break below these levels will lead to stronger bearish momentum here. Then you can say now oil has reversed and a crash can be expected. Chances for which appears to be less. I still expect a reversal here. Yes, it can trade with slight bearishness, but a reversal cannot be denied. Trade accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do watch the twice a day updates. Definitely, it will add meaning to your trading decisions. Do join the mentorship batch or the signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Write an email or ping me on Telegram. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Happy weekend, and do watch the first update for the coming Monday, very early in the day with the Asian Europe session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead.